In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and configure OBS Studio for streaming. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through this process with ease and clarity. To start off, we'll need to head over to OBS Studio. If you don't already have it installed, you can easily download it from the OBS project's official website. Once you've got it up and running, you'll notice a fairly straightforward interface. But there are a few steps we need to take to ensure our streaming setup is ready to go. The next thing we're going to do is navigate to the Settings menu. You'll find this option at the bottom right corner of your OBS Studio window. Clicking on Settings will bring up a variety of options, but for our purposes today, we're going to focus on the Stream section. This tab is crucial as it determines how your video content is encoded and sent to your streaming service of choice. In the Stream section, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Service. This option allows you to select where you want to stream your content, like Twitch, YouTube, or others. If you'd like to use another service, you might need to familiarize yourself with the service's specific settings or server URLs. This is a fairly simple step, but it makes all the difference in ensuring you're broadcasting to the right platform. Once you've chosen your preferred streaming service from the drop-down menu, you might be required to enter a stream key. This key is vital as it uniquely identifies your broadcast on a platform. Make sure you obtain this key from your chosen streaming service and ensure it's kept secure. Without it, you won't be able to connect OBS to the platform. Remember to click Apply and OK to save any changes you make in the Settings menu. This ensures that you're not losing any of the adjustments that you've made. You'll also want to take a moment to test your stream connection by hitting Start Streaming. This way, you can verify that everything is operating smoothly and troubleshoot any potential issues before you go live to your audience. A quick test can save you a lot of stress down the line. And that's it. You've successfully configured OBS Studio for streaming. With these steps completed, you're well on your way to providing high-quality, live content to your audience. Streaming is a fantastic way to connect with viewers and share your passions, so don't hesitate to experiment with OBS Studio's various settings and see what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy streaming.